How to set Google as a home page in your Google Chrome browser. So in this video tutorial we are going to talk about if you want to set any by default website on startup or home page, so you can set it. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can do this. So let's start with the video. So before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. First, what you need to do, just open your Chrome browser and just click on this three dot option and go to the help and go to the about Google Chrome. And here you have to check whether your Google Chrome up to date or not. If it is not up to date, it will be update automatically. You just need to relaunch. If it is up to date, then just leave it and just open the new tab. And now just again go to the three dot option, go to the settings, and here you have to just scroll down and here go to the on startup. So this is on startup setting. You can open the new tab page for on startup. When you open the Chrome browser or start up the Chrome browser, there is an option called open the new tab or continue where you are left off last season. Okay, and this is another third option is you can set the any other website like Facebook or any other website as a home page. So it's by default is Google. Okay, so what you need to do, just need to delete it, or you can add the new page. Like if I add the Facebook, okay, so I have two page here. So when I start up the Chrome, then two tab will be open with the selected link. So if you want to make only Google as a startup, then you have to remove the another website, or you can say edit this is the search engine of Google. You can set as a Gmail and anything you want. Okay, so you can change it as I show you. I just come back and now it is changed. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.